So I'd like to introduce you to the Integrated Ascension Method. This is not, I repeat, this is not your ordinary breathwork course that you're going to get from somebody who took a weekend workshop and now they're teaching people to hyperventilate. This is based upon the art of Merpatiputis. Now, you may have never heard of that before. The art of Merpatiputis from Indonesia, a royal family in Indonesia. It means the white dove method. And this is such an amazing art of not only martial arts, but also the most cutting edge, like next level breath work, energy development, like chi development you could really feel quickly, meditation, energetic healing for ourselves as well as for other people, and even extrasensory abilities. And now, as the founder of the Integrated Ascension Method, I have this honor of having done is for 24 years and being the first person to ever learn Merpatiputis outside of Indonesia, being one of the only 2 people in North or South America still allowed to steward this method. And as beautiful and wonderful as it is, we have so many things that are just incredible in the 21st century. Things like vibroacoustic technology, brainwave enhancement and brainwave training with neurofeedback. We have different tachyon, pyramid, and torus energy generation equipment. We have this life force energy fusion pendant, which helps block EMF. But I'm also a certified body code and emotion code practitioner. So I help a lot of people, both in person and at a distance, because it's a quantum healing modality. I've worked with people all over the world with that. I'm also BioWell certified. So that's an energy diagnostic equipment that can measure your aura output as well as the organ balance and tells us so many things about ourselves going inside. I couldn't just have it be the white dove method anymore because now I'm adding so many different things. I went straight for the Integrated Ascension Method, or the IAM for short. Now, what's happening in the body when we do this kind of breath work? We're going to do a little breath work a little bit later on, but the hard style breath holding hypoxic training that is the hallmark of Merpatiputis and the white dove method. First of all, it dramatically increases our carbon dioxide level, which why that's important is in your body, in our bodies, every single cell uses carbon dioxide. It produces carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is more important in your body than oxygen is. And yet, when we think of carbon dioxide, we think, oh, global warming is going to, well, okay, that's the macro level. But on the micro level, every single person across the board, almost every single person is hugely deficient in carbon dioxide. And why that's really important is in order for your body to utilize oxygen, the catalyst that lets it be released from your blood is carbon dioxide. So if you're deficient, you're not releasing all the oxygen that you could into your cells. Now, studies in Indonesia have also shown that you get more energy from mitochondrial activation with this type of hypoxic, hard holding breath style. And why that really matters is your mitochondria, those are your powerhouses of your cell. If your mitochondria are functioning more properly or functioning ideally, optimally, you're going to have more energy. It's going to be longer lasting. It's going to help with the immune system, everything gets better if you have more energy, right? Now, but this system also lowers your blood pressure and it lowers your pulse. Hypertension, millions and millions of people have uncontrolled hypertension. Imagine if through a very specific type of breath work, you could lower your blood pressure naturally. I've had dozens of students do it. I've done it for myself. This also has been shown to shift our blood from alkaline to, you don't want that. You want to shift it from acid to alkaline, right? We know that having too much acidity in your body can lead to cancer and all kinds of really unpleasant things. So when we shift from acidic to base or alkaline, we're moving back toward health. And then we also, our stock in trade is helping people expand their body's energy field and their actual chi, their vital life force power that they're able to use, project, feel, and flow. Now, one of the things that is so unique about the Integrated Ascension Method, and the White Dove Method is at the core, right, are mudras. Now, most people are familiar with mudras, where maybe you touch these fingers, or you touch these fingers, or you touch different things together to create different circuitry in the body. So it links the chi energy of our body within our body's nervous system, and it creates and completes unique energy circuits in our body. So anybody who says, oh, we don't have energy circuits, well, we all run on electricity. All we are is light. That's all that any thing in the entire universe is, because when you go subatomic, matter doesn't exist. It's just light that's phasing in and out of existence, something like a septillionth of a second. Every septillionth of a second, it's phasing in and out. So why that really matters is that when we're energetic beings and we have blockage in our energy, it can lead to dis-ease or even just melancholy and not having a lot of energy. So different mudras, connections of the circuitry in the body, can create amazing results for us. Now, that said, have you ever heard of a full body moving mudra system? Chances are no, you never have. I think I actually coined the term because there's nothing like this method. And so we use our breath work and our breath holding along with very specific body postures and very specific movements to align circuitry in our body, and also with very strong and specific focus of our intention in our mind, we can create amazing changes and do things that most people would consider impossible. We consider them impossible. So, some of the benefits of the Integrated Ascension Method. First of all, energy expansion. The more energy you have, the more you're going to be able to do in your life, and the better your body's going to feel and be able to heal itself and recover from diseases, from injuries, from surgeries, whatever it might be. Our body really does want to be in a state of homeostasis. It wants even balance. It wants to be healthy. But so many of us don't give our bodies the opportunity to really be healthy. Passion. Every human who has ever walked the face of the earth got here through the same process, right? We know this. But how many people do you know that maybe it's you, been married for a long time, going through the same old thing day in, day out, and they've really lost that passion for their life? And what would it be like to get that back? What would it be like to help other people have that too? That's something we specialize in. And living life longer.